Dear guest of honor and invited guests, here is a small exhibition on agriculture project that we have been conducting in our school. In the agriculture project, we have horticulture and poultry farming. And here are some few students that are going to represent our small exhibition in front of you. Thank you.
This one, the food that we provide to the chicks. We have the starter or the pellets. This one are given to the chicks when they are young, for them to grow. But also in this food we usually supply water. Which is rich in glucose and medicine, so that to avoid the chicks from getting infections or diseases. But when they grow now, we provide, when they are in progress of growing, we provide the chick mash, and when they are in mid-age to growing, we give them the grower mash. And after there, for the layers which are one among the two types of chicken, we provide this one so that to enable them to lay or to produce eggs. And after the production of eggs, we take the eggs and use them as food, as well as the income generating program. But also we use the eggs for class studies, because some of our primary peoples who need to be shown eggs, the parts of the eggs and whatever. All this is done to increase our knowledge at school.
My name is Innocent Amunga from Inter Secondary School, and I'm hereby to tell you about a movable garden. A movable garden is a garden which you can move with it from one place to another, maybe for various purposes. Like most people who have rent their towns, they can move with it from one place to another, maybe they're shifting from one house to another. And this type of garden is good for people who live in mostly towns areas, because they don't have enough resources or enough areas to cultivate crops or vegetables. And what are the steps of making a movable garden?
To briefly explain on the step of planting a movable garden. First, before the step, we have the requirement needed for planting a movable garden. First, you need to have a container or a sack like this, which is used to put a mixture of manure and soil with the gravels. You must have a soil. Example of the soil is there, and the manure, which we mostly use the cow dung and the gravels. Example of the gravels are there. The step on how to plant a movable garden. First, you mix soil and the cow dung. You take 2 buckets of the mixture and put inside a sack. After that, you take a wide pipe which will put at the center of the sack. Then you put the gravels and feed inside a wide pipe. After that, you take again the mixture and pour around the wide pipe. Then you gently remove the wide pipe so as you leave the gravels, which will be acting as a filter which fills the water. And the role of the first 2 layers which you kept here down, it is to prevent water from going downward, the water will be absorbed with the mixture which we kept surrounding the gravels.
Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, today I'm going to cross you about a pumpkin. As you can see, this is a pumpkin fruit and this is a pumpkin leaf. So a pumpkin, this is a food crop that is grown for consumption, and there are some of basic requirements for a pumpkin, whereby you can have a soil. This is the soil. The soil should be fertile and should consist of organic fertilizers such as cow dung and chicken manure. And the other is temperature. As you know, temperature, this is the degree of hotness or coldness of an area. The basic requirements for the pumpkin should range from 65 degrees Celsius to 95 degrees Celsius. The other is the water. Another requirement for the pumpkin should be water, whereby we should have regular watering. And the other is seedlings. These are the seedlings. These are, as you can see, these are the seeds whereby we plant them directly from the soil and we water them. Thank you.
Today I'm gonna give you a short benefit of a pumpkin. My name is Sakole Michael Francis Kiria. So the following are the major two parts of a pumpkin. First is the fruit and the second is the leaves. In fruit we have the seeds, and one of the function of the seed or benefit, it helps to regain the dental health. And the second is, within the seeds there are some of proteins which you get, such as vitamin A, which helps a person to get a normal vision. Yes. And the second benefit of the seeds of a pumpkin, it helps the body cells to fight against the diseases. And within the leaves, when you eat these leaves of a pumpkin, it helps to reduce headache. Second, it helps to retain dental health. Third, it helps to fight against the colon cancer. And the fourth is it helps to fight against the prostate cancer. Mainly it occurs in males.
Today I'm going to explain for you briefly about beans. These are the beans leaves. What we planted here are beans. So example of bean seed are these ones. Beans are the common food crops. These are leguminous plant. Leguminous plant are the plants which attract nitrogen and convert them into nitrate, which nitrate is used to add fertility in the soil. So these beans act as protein. So these beans they are very important to our body. These beans are used to repair the body cells. They are used for building our body. They are used for growth and development. They are used to secrete hormones. So also these beans can be used for commercial purpose. Yes. Also these beans, the remains, they can be used for feeding domestic animals. Yes. So also these beans, they add oxygen in our air. They reduce carbon dioxide. So okay, preparation of beans, you need to have manure, the seedlings, and you have to have the fertile land. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Asante sana.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Edwin Johanna. I am a class 6 pupil at Intel Schools. I am going to present about tomatoes. These are tomatoes, as you can see. Tomatoes are edible berries of the plant. They originated in West and South America, Mexico and Central America. They are also used as vegetables. Tomato can be prepared in different ways. Can be cooked or raw. Requirements for growing tomato: temperature of the air and soil itself, and water, and the seeds of tomato.
My name is Ingalata Kelvin. I'm a former student at Intel Schools. I'm going to explain today about the dietary advantages of tomatoes. Tomatoes help in rich in antioxidants. That means it reduces the risk of heart diseases and cancer. And also it converts vitamin in our bodies. The second advantage is it increases vitamin and minerals in our body. Like vitamin C, it is essential for immunity and prevention of the body.
My name is Queen. I'm here to present about collard greens. I'm in Form 2. Collard greens, this is a type of vegetable grown by using a soil containing inorganic matter. This kind of vegetable has a pH of 5.5 to 7.0. If the pH will be high, this will cause the deficiency of magnesium. That will cause the yellowing of the leaves. Edible parts of this collard greens. We have leaves, stem and roots. Necessary conditions for these plants to grow: we need well-drained soil, water, temperature.
Good afternoon, dear guests of honor, parents and teachers. My name is John Kibinda. I'm a Form 2 student. I'm going to explain about the collard greens. The nutrients that are found in collard greens are like vitamins and calcium. Vitamins like the vitamin that is found in collard greens, it's like vitamin A, which is helpful in eye health, and vitamin C, which is helpful in prevention of scurvy. And also we are having the minerals which are helpful, the minerals like iron, which is helpful in production of red blood cell in our body, and also iron, it's helpful in preventing anemia. And also we are having the calcium, which is helpful in in bone health.
Here in front of you is a Form 2 student. My name is Angel Salvatore. I'm going to explain about cabbage. Before all, what is cabbage? Cabbage is a leafy vegetable with a round compact head. The scientific name of cabbage is Brassica oleracea. It riches in vitamin K, C and fiber. It also includes different colors such as green, white and purple. The advantage of fiber from cabbage: it helps a person to feel fuller for longer. It also helps to reduce lost weight. It also reduces the risk of diabetes. Advantage of fiber: also helps to reduce the bone fractures. Advantage of vitamin K from cabbage: it helps to heal injuries.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
My name is Wabruga Enjabet. I am a class 6 student. In general care maintenance, the cabbage needs consistent moisture of water to prevent the soil from drying out. Some pests and diseases found in cabbage are like fungal, and we have the management application of fungicides like anthracnose. We have the black root and the club root. Some of the dietary cabbage benefits found in cabbage are like: it's good for digestion, cabbage juice heals ulcers, low loss and makes you feel fuller for long, it supports the brain function. Some other benefits are like employment, source of food and decorations.
Spinach is a leafy green plant. Spinach is a smoothie vegetable. In its specific name is Spinacia oleracea. Spinach can be prepared into 2 ways. You may cook a spinach or make it as a salad. Requirements needed when planting a spinach: soil. We should use a well-drained soil. Temperature. The temperature should be between 5 degrees to 20 degrees or 60 degrees to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Watering. We should water regularly to encourage the growth of a plant. Edible parts of a spinach: the leaves and the roots. The leaves can be prepared as vegetable or salad. The roots, the minerals and the vitamins. When we eat spinach, we get vitamin A, vitamin C, folic acid, iron and calcium.
Spinach is a source of food and spinach is a source of income. In income, when a person grows this spinach in his or her land, he or she may obtain food for his or her family. And also, when those people are engaging in agriculture on spinach, also obtain income through planting this spinach. Also, this spinach is a source of income. Thank you so much.
Visitors, we are here to explain about carrots. My name is Diana George in Form 3.
Yeah. What is carrot? Carrot is the root vegetable that is used by various people in our societies. Also, we have the types of carrots, which are Nantons, Danvers, Runa, Rainbow, Solar. Also, we have Pusa, Rondira, one among the types of carrots. The scientific name of carrot is Danacos carota. Also, we have the requirements needed for the plantation before, during, and after the plantation of carrots. We have water. Frequent watering is needed after the plantation of carrots. Temperature. Plenty sunlight is needed for the better growth of carrots. Also, we have soil. We have the type of soil which is needed for the growth of carrots. It's wall chain soil, productive, and also the fertile soil. Also, we have the benefit or the important parts of carrots, which are the roots and the loops, salads. I welcome my fellow to proceed with the importance.
I am going to explain about the importance of carrot. Carrot it also boosts our immune systems. Vitamin A and C. It strengthens our bones, teeth, and gums. It helps to keep our skin healthy, good for eyesight, help in diabetes and constipation. Family scale. Family scale means it is also beneficial to the family. I will welcome my friend to continue with the other benefits.
I'm going to proceed with carrot nutrients, whereby we get 25 calories from carrots, which act as energy providers. Also, we get 6 grams of carbohydrate in our bodies, 3 grams of sugar, 2 grams of fibers, and a half gram of proteins. Thank you.
We all do this for the main purpose of developing creativity in our life, because we are a student and our student need to learn, and learning helps in broadening the knowledge for the future. At Intel, the home of intellectuals, we decided to provide these posters so that you can see, and you're warmly welcome to our school.
Ndugu wazazi pamoja na wageni walikwa, wote mnakaribishwa katika shule yetu ya Intel, na yote yaliyojaribiwa kuongelewa na wanafunzi wa Intel ni kuhusu mambo ya kilimo yanayofanyika na wanafunzi wa Intel kuacha masomo ya kawaida. Kilimo hicho kimekuwa madhumuni kwa ajili ya kuwasaidia wanafunzi wa Intel kupata elimu na ujuzi zaidi kuhusu kilimo na ufugaji. Hivyo, mzazi unakaribishwa sana katika shule ya Intel, pia mlete mwanao katika shule ya Intel kwa ujuzi na elimu zaidi. Asanteni.
But what I see here, we also getting an extra education for parents. I think if you are following the explanation of our students, we are getting something which is knowledgeable, right? So there's something an extra you are doing. So I really congratulate you for what you are doing in this school. Mnafanya vizuri sana. Maana unajua kuna maonyesho kama maonyesho, lakini hapa tunapata kama kitu cha ziada, elimu. Kama tunazalisha nani haya, lakini faida zake ni nini? 1, 2, 3. Hongereni sana wanafunzi. Hongereni sana.